thank you so much for tuning in to another video. I really appreciate it. If you haven't done so, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate if you would be a part of my YouTube family here on my channel. So I'm going to be unboxing this Breville juice fountain cold processor or juicer. I'm super excited because in my household we like to juice, okay? We like to juice a lot of fruit, not so much vegetables, but that's why I got this juicer, because I'm sure it will certainly help in that area. Because the current juicer I had was just old, it was raggedy, it had to go. Actually, let me show you. It's so funny. Don't despite humble beginnings, y'all. Okay, let me go grab it. This is the juicer that I've currently been rocking with. It's been faithful, it's come in handy, but it had this insert here. It's so minuscule. You know, I made it work and it's lasted me for several years, and now it's time to move on to something immensely larger and better. So I'm super excited. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this video. But first, just want to share a little bit of encouragement. You guys have some gratitude today. Be thankful for what you have. Be thankful in the current season that you're in, because God is so faithful. There's always something to be thankful for. Thankful for food. Thank you for breath. Thank you to be able to see another day, have life, be healthy, have family. There's always something to be thankful for. So I just want to encourage you guys to implement that gratitude into your daily lives, because God is good. He's good despite the good times, the hard times that we face. Not everything's going to be blissful, but we do know that He is faithful and true, and He loves us. So I just want to encourage you guys, have that gratitude, be thankful, and love Jesus. Okay, so it looks like it comes with a 1-year warranty, product warranty, which is pretty standard. So the juice fountain cold juicery is what it says. Oh, they have recipe. This is a recipe book. Comes with this recipe book. Awesome. I am super excited for this. With veggies and a cucumber, watermelon, strawberry juice, a melon mint cooler, tropical summer juice, carrot, pumpkin, and feta tart. Interesting. Cantaloupe. I have some cantaloupe. I might just cut into that and make this. Who knows? Mango, orange juice, and popsicles. Interesting. Make your own popsicles. Very versatile. So it comes with a pitcher. Decent sized pitcher. Really sturdy, solid pitcher, so that's great. It is quite large, so it has the ounces on here and the milliliters. It looks like you'd be able to juice a lot. Nice. Yeah, it looks like when you're juicing, the juice falls within this container, which is great. Oh, cool. Comes with a little brush. Comes with this little brush here. Look at it. Look. So cute. So cute. Oh, it's a big guy. It's a big guy, y'all, for sure. Ta-da. Let's open it. Okay, so here it is in all its glory. Look at it. It's so beautiful. I got the silver color. I believe they do come in a variety of different colors. But yeah, it has a very oversized opening. This is the little presser it comes with. This is the opening here. I've seen people, I've seen tutorials to where you can fit a full apple and you just stick it in there. You don't even have to cut it up or anything like that. You just stick it in its whole entirety inside this mechanism, and it blends it, juices it. I mean, it's amazing. I'm definitely looking forward to it. Here, really solid foundation. It has a nozzle here which I believe goes in here like this. Or no, wait. Goes in like this. Just like that. So it connects and then the juice flows out into the container. Very, very nice. Look at the hole. It's really large. There's another piece. This is gonna be like the mini pulp container, I guess you could say. It catches the pulp. And this goes right underneath here. So then the pulp, so this connects just like that. So all the pulp goes into this gray container here. And it has like a little flap here that keeps it all together. That releases and it comes down. It's amazing. Love it. Disassembling process doesn't seem super strenuous. Looks like it just pops off. You pop the lid off. So this whole part pops off. Take the lid off and then you can rinse accordingly here. And then it has, this is the blade. So the blade is a decent size. Take it off. You can use your handy dandy brush here and you can just clean around it, get all that grime off, and voila, you'd be good to go. You're all set and you're done. Clean the outside too. That's great. This and this, lovely. Love it. These things, I don't know if you guys know, but these things are super hard to clean. With the other one I was utilizing, gosh, it just gave me such a hard time. Like you literally need a brush to like scrub, get all up in there to clean it because it was just super tedious. It was a tedious task to say the least. So they definitely thought this through and I appreciate it. As a consumer, I appreciate the 2 and 2 because they pair well together. So A+ in my opinion for that. And then with the can, when I was watching tutorials and I was watching the reviews, I noticed, which was a brilliant, brilliant idea, they put a little trash bag inside to catch the pulp as it proceeds into the bowl or into this container. And then once they've finished with juicing, the pulp goes into here, it fills up, and then all they do, so for example, let me show you. So this is a bag, right? You put the bag in here like this. So it's like a mini little trash can, right? But it's your pulp trash can. Let's just call it that. It's your pulp trash can. It catches all the pulp. So then you put it together. It runs into here. When you're done, you simply grab the bag and you take it out and you dispose of it as such. That's an amazing idea. Let's clean up. You only have to clean the top part as well as the blade, and then you can let it dry and reuse it for another day. It's ready to use. Like that was perfect. That was amazing. It has a electric wire for plug-in use and it's beautiful, you guys. I'm super excited to demonstrate it, do a little bit of a tutorial for you and see how you like it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this product, I actually purchased mine through Best Buy. It retails for about 160 bucks. It's what I got mine for. So if you are one that likes to incorporate a lot of fruits and vegetables into your daily digestive system, I certainly do recommend investing in a juicer, especially one of a higher quality if you can. I do understand not everyone has the financial means to purchase this product. However, if you can and if you do, I certainly would like to recommend this one to you. It has great reviews, it has great tutorials on it, and that's why we decided to go with this brand, the Breville. So I'm elated, I'm super excited to show it to you, and I feel like it would be a great addition to any household out there because it juices a lot. Look at the container that it comes with. It juices a lot and I'm so excited. It also comes with, I didn't show you guys, but a top. This top, you just simply put it on there. Keeps it cold, put it in the refrigerator, and you're good to go. It's amazing. So definitely worth the investment, you guys. Check it out. Check it out. Without further ado, I will go ahead and put in the clip of the video of me juicing. That's gonna conclude my video, my unboxing, raw first impression of the Breville cold press juicer. Again, you guys, I think it works very, 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 very well. I think the product itself is certainly exceptional and I recommend it. My first impression was nothing but satisfactory and I think that the demonstration definitely attests to itself. And I hope you guys purchase this and you're just as satisfied with your Breville cold press juicer. Before you leave, go ahead and subscribe down below. Hey! Remember, don't let anyone diminish your light because it's so bright. I love you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.